Yeah, so we have two apps. The first one is the FME Reporter app, and this enables me to, I can connect to a server and specify, the topic. And this essentially will trigger a workspace when I do this. Well, what I can do is I can put a message here, and I could say like it is Wednesday. It is, there's good enough. And I can also set a time interval when it's going to run, and a distance filter. So what I could do is I could say, like update my position every 5 minutes. But only if I've moved, like 500 meters, because if I'm standing still, you probably don't want me to figure out where I am, and it sucks battery. So I do that, and then every, when I said start, then every 5 minutes it would send. But of course, I can also just click the send button. This is a demo app, and we don't want to go for a run, so I can go like that. And now it's going to, depending on how good the Wi-Fi is here, it's going to try to send the thing, and then it will drop down a pin. So there we go. The pin came down.
So it keeps running, drops a pin where you are.
Yeah, and you'll see that an alert came up. Okay, so if I pull this one down, we have this other app.
That was an ArcGIS map that we saw?
That was a Google map.
A Google map.
Yeah,
okay.
That's just because, no, it was the Apple map. Sorry, whatever app. We just use the map that comes with that Apple has.
Oh, okay. So where is the spatial data stored? Like
it's stored in Google Fusion tables. So
okay.
so that ping went all the way back to FME server running in the cloud. We put it in the Google Fusion table, and then and then alert. So the second app is the FME Alerter app, and that just I've registered for certain areas and certain type of events, and when one of those happens, I get an alert, and that was the one we just saw there. And if you can see, I can see all the ones I've gotten. And this was the one that we said it's I put it lead, but anyway, it's Wednesday. If I want to see where it is, I click here, and you can see that's the pin. You can see my previous ones, and then I go here, and it's Wednesday. Okay. Now something else you can do too is you can just simply take a picture. So this could be something maybe for graffiti or something like that, or social whatever. I can just go here and I can take a picture of the crowd down there. Sure, we'll take a picture, of the crowd down there. Okay, took a picture. And I can mail that. I can simply mail that to the FME server. So I say like photo, like that, add alert demo. Whoops.
Yeah.
I'll send him it.
Autocorrect.
Yeah, there you go. Photo. And I could say, esriuc, wed, sure, is perfect. And then I can say send, and we'll go small just because the bandwidth is not so great here. And then when that gets sent, has it been sent yet? There, so I got an alert there. So now I touch this, I got an alert, and it says this is the esriuc thing. Go back here. Okay, go back.
So that could theoretically be going to a group.
And you'll see that it's Wednesday. So now here, that's what the alert was like. I go to the map again. It gives me a pin. I click here, and now I can see the photo. And so you can imagine somebody sees something of interest. This one's not particular interest, but it definitely is what we just saw. Yeah, and of course, it has the location on it, which is so I didn't, it's just because of course this phone is geotagging the imagery. And again, that photo just went to an FME workspace that ran. Turns out that FME knows how to read raster, and the EXIF tag on the photo, the metadata, had the GPS location. We just grabbed that. And again, we're storing all this on Google Fusion tables.